This is now the part 21 of the LEED V4 Reference Guide for Homes Design and Construction Online Review. Again, all the pictures or images in this video are from Google and USGBC website. If you have comments, suggestions or complaints regarding the images, pictures or in this video, please email me at nelca_roco@yahoo.com, and I will immediately reply to you and take action on whatever the reason of your email. Thank you. Why I created this online reviewer. To help myself and others to pass the LEED AP exam in one shot. These are the LEED credit categories. On my previous video, we discussed the energy and atmosphere prerequisite, the education of homeowner, tenant, or building manager. Now we will proceed to the fourth prerequisite, the home size, under the prescriptive path. Home size is the last prerequisite of the four prerequisites of energy and atmosphere. Energy and atmosphere prerequisite 4. Home size. Intent. Reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions by designing more compact living spaces. It is prerequisite or required. Requirements. Earn 1 point for every 4% decrease in conditioned floor area compared with the Energy Star for Homes, version 3, Reference Home, Table 1. Buildings that are larger than the reference home lose 1 point for every 4% increase in conditioned floor area. Projects cannot exceed the maximum number of points in the EA section. Table 1. Conditioned floor area of reference home, by number of bedrooms. 1 bedroom equals 1,000 square feet or 93 square meter. 2 bedrooms equals 1,600 square feet or 148 square meter. 3 bedrooms equals 2,200 square feet or 204 square meter. 4 bedrooms equals 2,800 square feet or 260 square meter. 5 bedrooms equals 3,400 square feet or 315 square meter. 6 bedrooms equals 4,000 square feet or 371 square meter. 7 bedrooms equals 4,600 square feet or 426 square meter. 8 or more bedrooms equals plus 600 square feet per additional bedroom or plus 55.6 square meter per additional bedroom. For multifamily buildings, home size includes only in-unit space. Prerequisites required for all projects, whether they use the EA Performance or EA Prescriptive path. Important note. A minimum of 8 points must be achieved in the combined LT and DA sections. Behind the intent. Larger buildings take more energy to operate, require more materials to build, and generate more construction waste. See further explanation, home size and material energy usage. Data published by the U.S. Census Bureau and the American Housing Survey for 2005 show a strong correlation between number of bedrooms and number of occupants. Although a home may serve many different households over its lifespan, in general, a home with more bedrooms will serve more people. LEED therefore awards points for smaller homes, based on total conditioned floor area, and homes with more bedrooms, and it deducts points for larger homes and those with fewer bedrooms. Step-by-step guidance. Step 1. Design space-efficient home. Design the home to make efficient use of the floor area. Multi-purpose rooms reduce the total number of rooms and therefore the home size. For multifamily buildings, exclude outdoor living areas and communal areas from conditioned floor area calculations. Step 2. Maximize potential bedrooms. Design rooms that could be bedrooms, such as dens, to meet the egress, closed door, size, and closet requirements for bedroom. Dens, offices, and other multi-purpose rooms that can function as bedrooms may be included in the bedroom count. Step 3. Measure home size. Measure the conditioned floor area, including all spaces conditioned by heating or cooling systems. These measurements must comply with ANSI Standard Z765-2003, with exceptions as specified in Appendix A of the 2006 Mortgage Industry National Home Energy Rating System Standards. This RESNET standard requires measuring floor dimensions in accordance with ANSI Z765-1996 with the exception of Section 3, Paragraph 6. Floor areas with ceiling heights of less than 5 feet, 1.5 meters, should be included in finished floor area. In the ANSI standard, floor area is calculated by measuring to the exterior of wall finish materials at each floor level, including all interior walls. Step 4. Calculate points. Points are awarded or subtracted based on home size compared with the Energy Star for Homes, version 3, reference home, summarized in Table 1 of the rating system requirements. Buildings smaller than the reference home gain 1 point for each 4% decrease in home size. Buildings larger than the reference home lose 1 point for every 4% increase in conditioned floor area. For multifamily buildings, each unit is compared with the reference home. Home size and material and energy usage. The relationship between home size and points earned is based on estimated energy and materials usage. Published data and informal studies of energy and materials usage in homes reveal two critical relationships. A 100% increase in home size yields an increase in annual energy usage of 15% to 50%. A 100% increase in home size yields an increase in materials usage of 40% to 90%. Actual percentages depend on the design and location of the home and the behavior of its occupants. Nevertheless, these figures, combined, indicate that the life cycle effects rise by roughly 1/3 to 1/2 with each doubling in home size. Calculations. Example 1. Home smaller than the reference home. A 1,800 square foot home with 3 bedrooms earns 4.5 points. The 3-bedroom reference home is 2,200 square feet, or 400 square feet larger. Thus, this sample home contains 18% less area. 1,800 square feet over 2,200 square feet is equals to 0.818, then equals to 18.2%, or 1 to 0.818 equals 0.182. 18.2% over 4% equals 4.5 points. A home with 20% less area, 440 less square feet, for a total of 1,760 square feet, would earn 5 points. Example 2. Home larger than the reference home. A 3,000 square foot home with 3 bedrooms loses 9 points. The 3-bedroom reference home is 36.4% smaller. 3,000 square feet over 2,200 square feet is equals to 1.364, or 36.4%. 36.4% over 4% equals 9 points. Example 3. Multifamily. A multifamily project with 4 2-bedroom units, 1,100 square feet each, 3 3-bedroom units, 1,450 square feet each, and 8 studios, 750 square feet each, earns 1 point. This project contains a total conditioned floor area of 14,750 square feet. The reference home, with 25 bedroom units, is 15,400 square feet, which is 650 square feet larger than the example home, which contains 4% less area. Total number of bedrooms equals 25. Total in-unit conditioned floor area equals 14,750 square feet. Total reference home square footage equals 15,400 square feet. First 7 bedrooms equals 4,600 square feet. Additional 18 bedrooms equals 18 by 600 square feet equals 10,800. Total reference home equals 15,400 square feet. Points are calculated as follows. 650 square feet over 15,400 square feet equals 4% smaller. 4% equals 1 point. Related credit tips. None. Changes from LEED for Homes 2008. The reference home has been updated to align with Energy Star, version 3. Points are now awarded and subtracted. Previously, award thresholds were adjusted. This credit is applicable only for projects using the EA prescriptive pathway. Contract language recommendations. None. Technical resources. None. Referenced standards. Energy Star qualified homes, Version 3, National Program Requirements. 2006 Mortgage Industry National Home Energy Rating System Standards. ANSI American National Standard Z765 2003. Exemplary performance. Not available. Verification and submittals. Supporting verification materials, made available by the project team. Provide architectural plans and basis for calculating size of each home or unit. Verification team. Verify building area for each building. Verify home size adjustment calculation, including ensuring that only appropriate rooms are counted as bedrooms, or perform home size adjustment calculation for each building. Glossary. None. Thank you for watching. Watch for the next video. LEED V4 Homes, Energy and Atmosphere Credit 1. Annual Energy Use. If you wish to get the PDF or PowerPoint copy of this presentation for free, please click the link below or email me at nelca_roco@yahoo.com.